So in this video I will show you how you can solve the easiest programming interview question on earth, the so-called Fizzbuzz challenge. But what is the Fizzbuzz challenge? So basically you get an array from 1 to 100 and every time the number can be divided by 3, you print out fizz. If the number can be divided by 5, you print out buzz. And if the number can be divided by 3 and 5, you print out Fizzbuzz. Otherwise, you just print out the number. So that's the basic challenge. Let's go. So we are now in my favorite code editor, VS Code, and start coding. So the basic thing is to do, we have to make a for loop. So for num in range 1 to 101. Yeah, I said you get an array from 1 to 100. But in this case, Python just executes it to the second last number, so to 100. If I would say 100, it will only go to 99 and not 100. So that's the first important point. And now this code will be executed 100 times, and num in this case will always be the current number. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. So we have to do a first if case. So if number modulo 3 equals to 0. So what does the modulo mean? So we divide the number we get with 3. So example 3 divided by 3, and we can divide this one time. But if we say 4 divided by 3, there will be one number left. So you can only put the 3 one time in this, and we check this with the modulo. So we do this for the first part of the challenge. But also we have to check if the number can be divided with 5. So number modulo 5 equals to 0. If this happens, we print Fizzbuzz. So why do we do this first? So if the number can be divided by 3 and we put this at the top, we will print out fizz, but the number can also be divided by 5, so we don't print out Fizzbuzz. So that's why we have to put in this statement first. And after this, we can say else if number modulo 3 is equal with 0. So if the number is can only be divided with 3, we print out fizz. And another else if the number modulo 5 is equal to 0, so the number can only be divided with 5, we print out buzz. And for the last case, if none of this is true, we print out the number itself. So save this, that's basically it. We can run the code with the top right play button and see in the console. And as we can see, we see fizz, fizz, Fizzbuzz. Let's go with the first numbers. 3 is fizz, 5 is buzz, 6 fizz, and 15 should be Fizzbuzz. Yeah, right. So the script is working. Now you can also solve the easiest coding interview challenge on earth. And if you never want to miss a new video from a favorite YouTuber, check out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.